This is Canva. You can log in www.canva.com. Boleh tulis, if you want to write down, you can write down. Canva is www.canva.com. So once you click this canva.com, it will come out like this. Okay, this is Canva. Dengan Canva, you boleh design macam-macam. With Canva, you can design a lot of things. You can design presentation, you can do a social media, you can do video, you can print. So this is Canva. And you have many templates. If you look at here now, kalau you lihat di sini, banyak template yang you boleh gunakan. I repeat again, dengan Canva, dia ada banyak template. Kalau lihat di sini, template-nya ada banyak untuk social media, can, for personal also can, for business, for marketing, for education, and even trending. Okay. Canva ni bagus, saya sudah gunakan Canva. Canva is good, I already use this. For social media, you take a look. You can do Instagram story, Instagram post, Facebook post. All these are very good. You can do invitation, you can do cards, you can do postcard, t-shirt design, and business presentation, website, so many. There are so many templates you can use. Okay, but to what I want to teach you, apa yang saya mau ajar adalah macam mana nak bikin apabila dah join franchise, kita nak kena buat logo, kita nak kena buat banner, dan kita kena buat e-book cover. Okay, when you join this franchise package, you have a website. Okay, you have to do your logo, your banner, and even your book cover. So tonight I will show you step by step. Okay, what you do is, apa yang you harus buat, you boleh klik di sebelah on the left, on the right side, create design. Okay, di sini you boleh nampak create design. Okay, when you click create design, for example, you click this create design. Okay, you click this create design. Then you can choose for this project tonight, you do a ebook cover. You see, create design, ebook cover.